Looking for extra style for your truck's front end? Stick around because in today's video, we'll take you through the ins and outs of the Hammerhead low-profile front bumper and get it installed on this 2017 Ford F250. The Hammerhead Non-Winch low-profile front bumper is precision engineered and designed with through-frame connection for optional shackle mounts. The low-profile front bumper is part of Hammerhead's Recon series, which features a high-tensile steel, superior hand-welded, single-piece construction that is laser-cut and formed. Each low-profile bumper features cutouts for a center-mounted 20-inch LED light bar, as well as 4 3¼ cube fog lights. Each Hammerhead bumper is slip resistant and is 9-step texture powder coated to withstand the hardest challenges. Hammerhead bumpers ship freight on a pallet and are packed in durable shipping boxes and foam material to ensure you receive your bumper in excellent condition. With no cutting or drilling required, this front bumper is engineered for a perfect fit and function for all your rugged adventures. Now let's get this bumper installed on this F350.
All right, now that we're underneath the truck, we're going to undo the fog light connector. So push it here, release, pull that down. Just double check to make sure the harness is only on the bumper side and wasn't ever tied or anything to the frame or anything silly like that. The other thing you're going to want to do is undo the driver side mounting hardware on the driver side and passenger side. Remove those 4 bolts and then we move to the outer mounting hardware. All right, now that we have everything underneath done, I'm going to take these covers off, expose the outer 8 mounting bolts, 18mm socket. I'll remove those real quick. I'm ready to take the bumper off. Our next steps are going to be removing the factory tow hooks and these lower brackets. We're going to start by installing the driver's side frame or bumper bracket. Install the hardware from the top down. These are all new supplied hardware. We're just going to reuse our original hardware for the sides. Just want to note that I do leave the brackets loose right now. This gives me enough play while these 2 guys bring the bumper towards the truck for me. You can do this with the hoist or other fashions. This was our easiest bet though.
Turn some heads with an aggressive new look with the Hammerhead low-profile front bumper. To find out more and get one for your truck, check out XDP.com today.